So maintaining multiple social media accounts can be a chore. Each has its own quirks, like everyone hates Twitter for cropping their vertical artworks. No one has time for manual cropping and adding watermark. Let's face it, all we want to do is post our image and count our precious likes. To save our time, Photoshop has artboards. Artboards are like canvases that are stored in one file so that you can export multiple images in different shapes and sizes. Let me show you. Start by creating a new document, near the orientation, check artboards. And now you have it, your first artboard. But you have few options to create them. You can use cropping tool, artboard from layers, or you can duplicate the artboard. To move the artboard, click on it in the layer panel and use Ctrl and left mouse button. In the property panel, you can adjust the height and width of your artboard. This brings up the question, Zamęcki, why do I need this? That's a really good question. So let's say you want to post an image with some details and close-ups. All you need to do is simply create a smart object and drop your artwork there, and then duplicate this smart object across all your artboards. So every time you update your smart objects with a new artwork, all those close-ups will be updated. Now all you need to do is to go to File, Export, Artboard from Files, and Photoshop will generate those images for you. This could also work as a reference viewer. Instead of dropping your reference to external program, you can arrange them around your document. Or you're working on a project and you need a bird's-eye view of all the assets. But if you're still not ready to make your own version, or you are like me, lazy, and you want some pre-made presets, you can check out my Gumroad page.